how to move copy table to another base on Airtable. In this video, I'll show you how to move copy table to another base on Airtable. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable into your preferred browser, sign into your account, and then open the base. And then once you're inside the base, go ahead and click on this grid view button at the top left of that table, and then click on download as CSV. Now once you have downloaded this table, go ahead and head back into your base, and then go ahead and create a new base. So click on this create button at the bottom left, and then from here go ahead and click on this build an app on your own, and then click on this add or import at the top left of your screen, and then select CSV file, and then go ahead and place here the downloaded CSV file that you have from the other base. So simply click on this upload file button to upload this specific table into the new table that you have created. And that is how you can basically move copy table to another base on Airtable. So if you have multiple tables that you want to move, you can basically do the same for the other that you have done earlier. And that is how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.